Hello everyone, so this is my finished product of my Pier One Inspiration Village. Here on the bottom is the Pier One, above is my village, and here it is again. The next picture is everything that you will need to complete this project. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Cammys Craftiques. My name is Cammy. I'd like to thank everybody today for watching my videos, everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I really truly appreciate it. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and if you tap on that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you'd like, give me a comment. So what I am doing today is I have an inspiration village for my fireplace for on top of my mantle. And that inspiration has come from Pier One. I will in the beginning or at the end, I'm not sure where I'm going to stick in that picture, but I am going to post the inspirational piece and then the completed project. So what you're going to need to complete this project is 2 of these signs from Dollar Tree. And it doesn't matter, what the sign says. It just has to be two rather, of these hollow signs. And what you're going to do with these hollow signs, you're going to paint the entire sign white. I happen to use the Waverly brand chalk paint in Plaster. For me, that I feel like that works. It gives me good coverage and it dries pretty quick. So I did about 2 to 3 coats of them on each sign. Okay. You will also need, and these ornaments I got at Dollar General. They were $1 each. I do know you could probably find similar in the Dollar Tree or like Walmart or something. So you're going to need 2 doors. Okay, I chose one in white and one in red. Then you will need 2 barns. Again, I chose the black and red and the white and red. And then 2 houses. I chose the plaid, the red plaid, and then the black and white plaid. And then you'll also need 1 tree. And you could paint the tree, and I did paint one of my trees, and this is how it looked. But then I decided I'm going to stick with the verbiage. If you do prefer like a painted tree, what I did on this tree was I painted all the tree with the white chalk paint. And then after that, I used, I used Marsh Green by Apple Barrel, which those are like 50 cents in Walmart. And then it was just a flat green, and I wanted like a little more dimension to it because I thought at that point I was going to use it. So after I decided, I gotta jazz it up just a little bit more, I used about 1.5 drops of the marsh green and then 1 drop of the burnt umber. I mixed it around and then I just repainted in spots, and that's how I got a little bit more of an effect. But like I said, I did decide to go with the one with the words. The last thing you're going to need, I got these in Dollar Tree. It's just these wooden cubes. I painted them white. You really don't need to paint them white because they're going to be in the back of your little village, so no one's going to really see that. Then you will need a glue gun and some glue sticks. But that's pretty much all you're going to need on this project. Okay, so now that everything is glued, I glued these 2 pieces together so you have a pretty long base. And then I just painted again along the glue line over down here so you really can't see it. And this is going to face the front. So I'm going to show you, but then I'll turn off the camera to glue it towards me so I can see pretty much what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to place my tree in the center here. It's going to be a little wonky right now, but that's okay. I'm going to just move it over that way. Okay. Then I'm gonna eyeball about the middle for the front door. So I'll put that door on that side. Then on this side again, I'm gonna eyeball it. These may fall because I'm not gluing them yet. Okay. And then I'm gonna put, I'll put this red barn here. And I wanna do maybe this house here. This house here. And this house, this barn here. So if you could see, I kind of have my village. Again, I'm going to pause the camera for one moment. I'm going to glue everything up, and then this way I could give you the whole finished product. Okay, so you're going to see me working pretty much from the back right now. And I'm just going to... So the tree, what I did was I'm kind of centering it in that center seam. I'm going to grab one of the doors. I'm going to center that, and I'm going to put that also in the front, right pretty much even with the front lip. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other door. I got this really super duper heavy duty glue gun by Ryobi. You don't ever want to get burnt by this gun, but this gun is pretty amazing. You can see the smoke. I love it. I have a love-hate relationship with that gun. I burnt myself one day so bad it went under my nail and I had a huge blister. So if you have this Ryobi gun, super caution, that's for sure. But it works really well, I have to say. Oh, I really didn't want the house there. Well, that's what it is. The house is there, I put it there, and that's what it is. Okay. What I wanted to do was really the barns on the ends, but it didn't quite work out that way for me. Now I'll do it. Okay, so there you have it. You have your own little village for either a windowsill, an entry hall table, or a mantle. Again, thank you for watching Cammys Craftiques. I hope you stayed to the end. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Say hello in the comments, subscribe, check me out also on Instagram, again under Cammys Craftiques. Thank you very much and have a great day.